What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock. So let's do the price action analysis and how is this thing looking like with today's candle. Are we still in that bullish structure that we talked about over the weekend and has been talking about from last couple of days since we broke above this $824 with the pivot formed here. So we'll talk about all of that in this video for the morning update on Nvidia guys. I also want to really quickly show you Tesla, guys, $190. I did a video on it this morning. Check it out. Home run, FSD China approved. Guys, the thing is skyrocketing now. And I talked about in the morning video that yes, pullback can come to this blue box. I drew this blue box in the morning and guess what? Guys, guess what? Junior Trader, pullback came right over there. I'm just really quickly showing you that, okay? Pullback came to that blue box area, found double bottom, and we are going up, 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 up. This is awesome, guys. All right, check out that morning video on Tesla if you want to know more about that. Okay, like this is looking great. This is looking great. All right, let's go back to Nvidia. All right. So guys, we talked about that Nvidia is full on bullish again since the time it broke above $824, and I just forgot to tell you that none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. Okay, cool. So yes, we formed that pivot on the daily interval, and that's why intradays we were going up and we broke out of 824 on a good volume. Oh, well, on a strong candle and also a good volume actually, not, there you go, good volume as well. Now the thing is that I talked about, guys, if any pullback comes, that pullback can come up to a 20 and 50 days moving average, but that will still be just a zone of pullback and this thing might get bought back up. So at least intraday, you can say it's getting bought back up over there, right? So let's see if it can push through. If it doesn't push through, then we have to take this as a weakness. Still in a pullback, but a weakness, but then be prepared if it's gonna break to the upside or to the downside. However, that pullback is in action, it's in play, and we are getting bought back up over there. So technically we are still bullish on Nvidia. Things will get clear if I take you to the hourly interval here. All right, check out my weekend video, that will tell you everything. I was talking about, guys, yes, we are above 20-50 days moving average and also 200 hours moving average. Any pullback to this zone is fine, and look at it, that pullback is getting bought back up. We are above the pivot areas already on Nvidia. Higher highs right now, higher lows, and oh sorry guys, let me clean up the chart. All right, here we go. Higher lows, this is another higher low in formation, right? The confirmation, and confirmation of this higher low is as we break this now 883 as well. So let's see if bulls have enough momentum to keep pushing it higher. But yes, that intraday play on the pullback, this was it, and move has happened as well. So just as how we talked about, that was the area to watch. Now let's see if we can push higher. Technically, yes, this is just a pullback so far and we are still in the higher highs, higher lows, but if position was taken here, some partial profit should be taken based on the price action. You can see this candle is a bit of rejection here and we are below 20 hours moving average. So let's see if bulls can push through it or is it gonna here slow down, but we'll see how the market has closed. But as I said, sorry, I'm repeating myself, but that's why it's important to tell you that that pullback came into fruition. So if I take you to the 5 minutes interval, you can see that pullback on the lower time frame as well. We fell lower and here we go, we got bought back up, going up, a little bit rejecting still though, right? So it's all about, can bulls push through it, or is this where things will start to slow down and will start to go to the other side again, to the downside? But that's what I mean. So you are seeing that if we lose this pivot eventually 859 now today, and if we, again, I'll talk about once the market has closed, it all depends how it closed between 859 and 883, this area. Or not even that, but most importantly, you can say 877, this area. It all depends how it closes in this area. Above or below will mark definitely the bearish or the bullish sentiment, but in between, it's more like, okay, what is the price structure here telling us, right? So we'll talk about that as well later today. But yes, so all in all, technically you can't, well, on the swing side, the swing moves have been happening, higher highs, higher lows, and Yeah, technically it is not bearish. We'll see if it turns bearish. It all depends on, can this pullback turn into a continuation to the upside, that the pullback it already gave today, that what I talked about over the weekend. All right. So yes, guys, technically we are still in the bullish territory. Accordingly, if any position is taken around that pullback, a stop loss should be there below these areas, right? So below the moving averages or the levels that you took entry on. And even though technically the entry point was in this area, guys. And also if you missed that, then the technically another entry zone was above 824 and also above. There were many multiple entry zones. It's just that how you are managing risk around it. But all these were confirmation, as we have been talking about, of potential uptrend. And right now you can see we are still finding support 20 or 50 days moving average. It now comes down to, can it hold it above it? If it can hold above it, it will still remain in the bullish sentiment, and I'll talk more about how the price action is looking like when it has closed. And then we'll see if tomorrow this thing has again a room to go up or will it slow down, but that's for later. All right, AMD has its earnings tomorrow. I'm just going to quickly show you this. I'll do another video later today with the options data as well. But this is still in the pullback zone. I said that, guys, this rebound can come all the way to, sorry, not pullback zone, rebound zone. I said that this rebound can continue to come until 162, and we are getting that. If you want to know more about it, check this video out. Over the weekend that I did this one, AMD earnings this week, how to trade, and then I also did the AMD options watch before earnings. Check this video out on my channel as well. Okay, that will tell you everything. How is other rest of the market looking like? Semiconductors a little bit selling off. Broadcom, SMCI mix up and down. Look, Microsoft, I told you in this video, here you go, Microsoft stock, great earnings, but it may fall. Here you go, this video. Check this out on my channel I did over the weekend, and look at it, we are falling. Right? I said so. I told you so. Guys, technicals are not confirming upside and we are selling off. We have Apple's earnings this week as well. So this thing, as I was saying, guys, this is looking bullish. I told you so. Right? I said that, guys, this is looking like a snapping and then stretching and snapping. And then once we break out of $166, it's a continuation to the upside. Anyways, that's that. Cool. Nvidia looks like a little bit selling off, selling pressure coming right now, but we'll see how things closes by the market. But yeah, that's the area, guys. You're watching again 20 and 50 days moving average. Just before wrapping up, I just want to see Tesla again, guys. This is looking awesome. So yeah, let's see if this can continue higher, but I'm loving it. Most of the move has happened in the pre-market, but anyways, check my morning video out. That will tell you everything, but just loving the move here. All right, guys. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Most importantly, this was for Nvidia. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Oh, wait, QQQ and SPY. Let's take a look at that as well. So let's go to the daily interval. Yeah, it's rejecting at 20 days moving average. For me, it's not back fully bullish unless we get out of this blue box, which is between the range of 432 and 435. And then SPY, let's see. SPY, looking a little bit stronger. Okay. Yep. So tomorrow, as if it close here where it is, then tomorrow breakup of 511 will make SPY bullish again, guys. And if we lose 507 today or tomorrow, it's going to continue lower. That's that. All right, that's it for this video. If you need access to my tools, links on the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.